Look, winter is considered the best season to bring any kind of change in our body because in winter, the muscle tissue in our body, it develops twice as fast. Also, all the internal processes also happen twice as quickly. This makes both building your body and gaining weight easier. But still, your body is not developing. You are working out properly. You are also following your diet well. But still, you are not able to gain weight. So this clearly means that you are definitely making some mistake that is stopping your weight from increasing and your body from developing. And now I will talk about such mistakes that stop your body from developing in the cold. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to the topic. Mistake number 1. Then, going to sleep immediately after eating dinner. See, whenever we eat food, a hormone is released in our body to digest that food, called insulin. Now, if you go to sleep immediately after eating, what happens is that the insulin hormone in your body starts to increase. Now, our body needs two hormones to grow. The first is testosterone and the second is the HGH hormone. And these hormones are released in our body when we are in deep sleep. Now, what is the biggest problem here? When insulin hormone is released in our body, both testosterone and HGH are not released properly. You make this mistake every day. You eat food and then go to sleep, and because of this, your body is not able to produce testosterone and HGH in the right amount. So how will you see growth in your body? Always have your meal at least 1 to 1.5 hours before sleeping so that your food is properly digested before you go to bed, and when you are sleeping, then at that time, the hormones that help build your body can be released properly. Mistake number 2 is drinking less water. See, when does our weight increase? When our muscle tissue is formed, new muscle tissues are created, and our muscle tissue contains 81% water. Now you tell me yourself, if something contains 81% water and it's not getting that essential ingredient, how will it grow? In cold weather, we don't feel thirsty as quickly. Because of this, we drink less water, and this slows down our muscle growth a lot. So whether you feel thirsty or not during cold days, you must drink at least 3 liters of water a day. It shouldn't be less than that. Mistake number 3 is wearing warm clothes all day. See, in winter, we end up wearing warm clothes all day long. But this small mistake slows down your muscle growth a lot. See, in low temperatures, our muscle tissue multiplies twice as fast. Along with that, the testosterone hormone in our body also increases much more rapidly. But the testosterone hormone is produced in our testicles, and the testicles are outside our body so that their temperature stays a little lower than our body temperature, because at lower temperatures, sperm is produced in greater quantity. Our mistake is wearing warm clothes all day, which causes our body temperature to stay high all the time. So keep this in mind. All you need to do is spend just half an hour to an hour a day wearing fewer clothes, at least sitting in the sunlight. You can also massage your body there. You can apply oil well all over your body, or even if you just sit in the sunlight, you will see a lot of improvement in your body. Mistake number 4 is not doing cardio. See, first of all, you need to understand that in cold weather, our body's blood circulation slows down a bit, and whenever we work out in the gym or at home cardio, we don't pay attention to it, meaning we directly start doing push-ups, pull-ups, or start working out on machines. We don't do any cardio, meaning we don't do any workout that makes us breathe heavily or increases our breathing rate. Because of this, what happens is that our bodies, due to slow blood circulation, the right amount of blood doesn't reach the muscles. This makes the muscle recovery process much slower. That's why during cold days, whenever you go to work out, first make sure to warm up your body properly. Do cardio for 5 to 7 minutes first. Mistake number 5 is letting your body cool down immediately. Look, as soon as our workout is complete, either we change our clothes or we go out into the open air. A small mistake can slow down your muscle recovery process a lot. See, when you work out, your body gets muscle tears, and if it suddenly comes in contact with cold, then because of the cold, it suddenly contracts. Because of this, the muscle recovery process becomes much slower compared to before. As soon as your workout is complete, first let your body come to normal temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Sit down and rest for a while, then change your clothes or go out in the open air or take a bath. Mistake number 6 is training all muscles the same way. See, the way we train our chest muscles, train them in the same way we also train our biceps muscles. But this is your biggest mistake. Look, the big muscles in our body like chest muscles, back and legs, all these muscles, if you go heavy, if you train with heavy weight and low repetitions, they respond much better. Whereas the smaller muscles like our biceps, triceps, and forearms, if you If you train them with lightweight and higher repetitions, they respond much better. But lightweight doesn't mean you should take it too light. You should take a weight that allows you to do up to 20 repetitions comfortably. And if you're exercising with heavy weight, you shouldn't take it so heavy that you can't even do 10 repetitions. Mistake number 7 is not maintaining enough of a calorie surplus. First of all, you need to understand that in cold weather, our body burns fewer calories, which is why we feel less hungry. Because of this, we eat a little less and our stomach feels full more quickly. But this is your biggest mistake. If you eat like this, you will never be able to put your body in a calorie surplus. First, you should calculate how many extra calories your body needs in a day. So that you can gain weight, schedule your entire day's diet accordingly. Whether you feel hungry or not, you have to eat enough to stay in a calorie surplus. Only then will you be able to gain weight and build your body faster. At first, this might seem a bit strange to you, but gradually it increases your hunger capacity. You start feeling hungrier and begin eating more. And because of this, weight gain happens quickly and you build your body faster. And one important thing is that the process of building muscles is a slow process. It's not like you eat food today and your muscles are built by tomorrow. It takes some time for muscles to develop. So give your body some time. Don't expect that your body will be built or your weight will increase in just a day or two. At least give it 30 days. You'll start seeing results in your body within 30 days. Make sure to comment below and let me know which topic you want to see in the next video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this so that whenever the next video comes, you get it first. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the video.